Hello everyone. Today through this video we will start the case studies of chapter 3. I have already attached the first assignment of chapter 3 in the last video of this chapter. If you want the link, it will be there in the description box below. Before I go forward, like always, I would love to request you to like my channel and subscribe it so that you can get the further notifications. So let us first see the question. Give an example of opportunity and one example of threat offered in Indian economic environment. So opportunity means the positive trend which is going to benefit the business, and threat a negative trend which is going to hamper the growth or the recent revenues or future of the business. So opportunity in the economic environment, we can say liberalization in external trade, and threat, it can be the MRTP Act, which has really impulsive effect on business. List two examples of change in social environment which affect business environment. So social environment is consist of different kind of beliefs, customs of people, and also the education system. As per the education system we are speaking about, education definitely hampers how we think, how we behave, how we deal with the other members in the society. So education is also one element of social environment. Under which environment does taste in change, fashion and trend fall in? So taste, fashion, trend, these are all the part of social environment. What is LPG in context of business environment? This is something you all be very aware of: liberalization, privatization and globalization. Next question. People of some region translated the slogan of "Come Alive" used by Pepsi company as "Come out of grave." As the result, company lost its market share rather than picking up. So this is the effect of which environment, and how does this dimension of environment affect the business? So this really hampers some kind of feelings of people. So this is a part of social environment. I'm not mentioning the effect of social environment on business here, so you can write it on your own. Next question. Name the term or process which means integrating the economy with rest of the world. So when we are getting connected to rest of the world, we are becoming part of global world, and thus it is globalization. Name the term or process under which production in tax rates and lifting of unnecessary control over the economy was undertaken. So this is liberalization. If new products are introduced in market by new technique, which type of environment is indicated by it? So when new products are introduced using a new technique or new form of technology, it is technological environment. Question number 9. Finance Minister reduced the repo tax to overcome recession. This indicates which dimension of finance of business environment? So this is economic environment, because some kind of changes are brought in to change the economy, change the flow of economy in a certain way. So this is economic environment. Let's see question number 10. If there is a change in fashion and people started getting tattoos on their skin, it suddenly brought in employment for several youngsters who have a flair for this art form. So which dimension of business environment is indicated here? So definitely this is social environment, because this refers to taste and changes in the preferences of people across the society. Question number 11. ABC Limited, a book publishing house, published books on various subjects based on CCE pattern before any other publishing house could print it. So what advantage will this publishing house get? So definitely this publishing house is observing one opportunity and it is trying to get the first mover advantage out of it. Okay, so this is the first point of importance of business environment. Question number 12. The sale of greeting cards, sweets, chocolates, etc. increase in India during Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab and Christmas. Name the dimensions of environment related to it. So it is definitely related to customs and traditions we are following in our country. So this is social environment. Government of India is seriously thinking to allow oil marketing public sector undertaking to fix their own price for petrol and diesel. Name the economic reform related to this decision of government. So here this is liberalization. This is one aspect of liberalization where government allowed different firms to fix their prices. And which are other two reforms in the same category? These are privatization and globalization. Question number 14. Identify the type of dimensions of environment to the following are related. Banks reduces interest on house loans. So this is economic environment because this is concerned with different kinds of rates. Number of working women is increasing. This is a part of social environment. Reservations of ticket by internet. We are using more technology and we are saving our time by not going to the ticket counters on railway stations and using our own homes or your laptops to do the same. So this is technological environment. Prohibition of alcohol beverage to be advertised. So these are some laws which have to be adhered by different production units. For example, there is one which is producing alcohol beverage. So there are some restrictions over their advertisements. So we generally don't see the advertisements of alcohol products on television. So this is legal environment. Winning of Aam Aadmi Party has built up confidence in the weaker section of society. So when Aam Aadmi Party won like to a great extent in Delhi, so it really showcased a good example of politically sound and stable situation. So this is political environment. So children, I'm done. Definitely have like few more videos related to the same kind of case studies. You can definitely get the notifications if you have subscribed to my channel. At the end, I would again like to say to like my channel and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.